Tired of spending hours crafting videos? Let's dive into Lumen5 vs Pictory to see which AI video creator reigns supreme for your needs. First up, Lumen5 shines with its intuitive text-to-video conversion. Simply paste your blog post or script, and Lumen5's AI will automatically identify key sentences and match them with relevant visuals. It's perfect for repurposing existing content. Lumen5 offers a wide array of customizable templates to fit various video styles. You can easily tweak fonts, colors, and layouts to align with your brand identity. This helps ensure consistency across all your video content. Now, let's turn to Pictory. Pictory excels in creating videos from longer-form content like webinars or podcasts. Its AI can intelligently extract highlights and create engaging short clips. Pictory's visual library is massive, offering a diverse range of video clips and images to enhance your story. Plus, its automated voiceover feature saves you time and resources on voice talent. So, which one's right for you? Lumen5 is ideal for quick and easy video creation from text-based content, while Pictory is better suited for repurposing longer-form content with advanced editing capabilities. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your content strategy and video production goals. Experiment with both platforms to see which one empowers you to create compelling videos efficiently. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more video creation tips.